In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to select Apps section and click on Dual Apps. Following that, choose Create and click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, like YouTube Music. Then choose Turn On, wait a bit, and click on Home button. Now when I try to access this app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!